Okay, camera. I've never heard this sound before, or at least not in a long time. I've been hearing it in the last couple of days. So I'm hoping that my camera can pick it up. If you can hear it, it's kind of a whoo tone, and it gets really loud at sometimes, and it's quiet at others. It was pretty loud and consistent there for a minute. I do live in Orlando, so there's a lot of traffic, and I live by the airport, so there's planes flying over at all times. But at night, the traffic usually dies down, so I'm going to try this again at night and see if I still pick up the same sound. It drives me crazy.